Hey Doc, how's it going? What is some advice that you can give to recent dental grads, to young dentists, so they can kind of just get jump started in their career?
All right. Hey, thank you, Pat, for allowing me to do this video. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Dr. Joshua Golden. I am the owner here in West Sunrise Dentistry. And the advice that I would give to new docs coming fresh out of school, it'll be three top things. Number one, your dental assistants. Your dental assistants are going to be an extension of yourself. If you want to maximize your day, you need to maximize your dental assistant. No dental assistant wants to sit there and just suck spit all day. So it's up to you to train your dental assistant so that they can do as much as possible and make everyone's life a little bit easier. Then we're gonna go to the front desk. The front desk is super crucial when it comes to your scheduling and also case acceptance. So it's up to you to let them know what you prefer. And if you don't know, ask them, what have they seen from other docs that have been successful? And if you do that, you're gonna see a lot smoother days and better schedules. And then finally, your hygienist. Your hygienist is your partner in crime. I know you just graduated from dental school, you think everybody wants to come see you, but let's be honest, they're here to see the hygienist. Everybody wants a cleaning. So you need to partner with your hygienist so that your hygienist and you are on the same page when it comes to dental cleanings. No hygienist likes doing bloody prophies. If you don't know what that is, that's basically an SRP that has been diagnosed as a prophy, and now the poor hygienist has to fight for her life to clean those teeth. So it's up to you to partner with each of these people in your office, your hygienist, your dental assistant, and your front desk to maximize your overall success.